Hey there, and welcome to another video. My name is Ricky Hayes. It's a pleasure. You'll have to excuse me, I do have a bit of a cold today. So this is to talk about the Debutify theme 8.0 release and the AI store builder. We've just released these about 3 weeks ago, being very popular. They're in beta. A number of people are skeptical about using it just because it is beta. We've done that intentionally to go to a more select group of users to make sure that it's as best as possible. So it's a massive overhaul designed to elevate your store's performance and customization capabilities. It is packed with tons of new features, widgets, and sections, and I'm going to break that down for you today as we're trying to streamline and make this a lot easier for you. Okay, now there's a few important notes to keep in mind as we get into this. So a manual installation is required. As this is a beta version, it does not support automatic updates. We do have automatic updates coming in the foreseeable future, basically meaning that once you have installed the Debutify custom app, it'll install a theme and all future updates will be applied automatically. So gone are the days where you have to manually download, upload. It'll all be handled for you automatically. New features, you won't have to worry about your theme settings. They'll automatically be backed up and stored. Of course, if you are having any issues, please contact us, support@debutify.com. And we always value feedback, right? We listen to our partners as well as our customers on a frequent basis, constantly asking for feedback. Please don't ever hesitate to email support@debutify.com for feedback, or feedback@debutify.com as well. We feed that through a specific chain so that we can get as much feedback and improve it as possible. We've got a big roadmap. We're building an all-in-one dropshipping related tool where the theme becomes a part of that. The AI store builder is just a step one. We have a product research center that we're working on, an ad spy tool, an AI landing page tool, AI UGC, and so forth. And we plan to do all of that by AI and use AI agents, where it basically does everything for you, right? It's quite complex. It's going to take a bit of time, but as a result, you'll have everything you need under one specific app, very affordable and manageable, and then automated, most importantly. So let's talk about the 8.0 beta. Now, 8.0.2 is actually coming out, but I wanted to talk about this because mainly the 8.0.1 and 2 have mainly bug fixes and enhancements to align to the AI store builder. 8.1 will have a lot of new features. We wanted to get out a couple of releases to make sure that we fix all the bugs and then push it out to a wider net of individuals to make sure that everyone has a stable migration. Because it is a complete overhaul. We've really looked at the Shopify ecosystem and looked at what we really need to do there to make it so long-term scalability, and it's really working out, if I'm honest, far better than we thought. So we've got some new widgets anyway. We've got a shipping calculator and we've got show carousel product card. So those are two new widgets, and we have sections. So we've broken it down into sections and widgets, and I'll talk about that more as well. We have collage, collapsible content, contact form builder, custom liquid, so basically you can add custom code, map, multi-column, multi-row, quick order list, double image banner, sticky image section. Additionally, we have new features. We have the cart drawer settings, rearrange your cart drawer for enhanced customization, theme styles. You can choose up to 72 variants across 10 niches. So this is to sort of give it the typography that you're sort of after, the overall style that you're wanting to get. We're including a lot of this into our AI store builder, so it'll do a lot of this for you as well. Wishlist drawer, manage your wish lists with ease. So, you know, for people that are especially focusing on building the brand as well, having wish lists is really important. Quick compare drawer, seamlessly compare products in a sleek drawer, really trying to go for a modern, sleek, simplistic approach that helps with conversions. Variant picker enhancements, add images directly to the variant picker for a richer experience. Cart page update, a new layout, right? So by default, there's just a new layout and more design options for more customization. Global heading management, standardized headings across your store. So when you change it in one area, it changes in other areas. Again, it just saves time. So we're trying to give it so that the AI store builder does the work for you, but when you want to do customizations, it's all very streamlined for you. We're also looking at using AI to just further take that legwork out for you. So we can just do that, and you basically just put in prompts, and that the AI, the Debutify AI, will do the work for you. Color schemes, 4 present schemes. We've got primary, secondary, light and dark. and custom options for those who want that. Theme block support, enhanced flexibility with expanded block support. So really utilizing the latest Shopify technology for the theme editor to really utilize that to our full advantage. And custom theme settings, more options to fine tune your store's look and feel. So we're trying to give a lot of stock standard options, but custom options for those who really want to get very granular in that. We get a lot of people wanting very specific things, so this sort of tailors to that. So again, just to be clear, for those who are wanting the V8.0.2, you can download it from the Debutify login portal. It is under themes, and then under beta, you can go there, manually install the theme, test the new features and widgets, and again, share any feedback, concerns that you have. Support at debutify.com or feedback@debutify.com. Okay, so I wanted to also talk about the AI store builder. Now, while the notes aren't there, the AI store builder is basically, we'll use the theme as the base, but it'll basically do everything for you. Okay, so you won't need to really set up the store. You go through the prompts, you set up the Debutify custom app. That's the only setup you really have to do. Integrate the API, and then our AI store builder will handle the rest. Version 1 is out, version 2 is being worked on. So, you know, AI logo, AI product title descriptions, AI landing pages, AI homepage, main menu, as well as footer menu, including pages like contact us, FAQ, shipping, delivery, all the legal pages will all be done for you as well. So very early days with all this, but really trying to make it a very dynamic, building a proper brand approach and keep scaling it in. We're looking at adding our review app in, so review app automatically gets done, and then it can import reviews automatically. We're adding in other functionality as well, so we're even adding it so that in the login portal over time, our research center will have criteria that you can customize and automate, where if a product meets some criteria, it's imported to your store, automatically optimized, built as a landing page for you, and applied to the theme instantly, right? You know, so it's automatically all custom optimized. So basically, we're taking all the legwork out, and so you can just focus on the marketing. So the whole store side will be completely handled for you. As part of that long-term vision, we're also having it so that, you know, we have AI, UGC, and other functionality as well, so that basically it just, again, has like an all-in-one subscription model for dropshippers and brands that want to use that type of approach. At the same time as well, we're also building out our email SMS app, our widgets app that applies to any theme. We've also got a live chat app, and what we plan to do with each of those is get individual functionality for each of them and then include it into the Debutify Theme Manager, which is a part of the Debutify Theme subscription. So basically, you get the theme and everything with it. So abandoned cart recovery, a proper live chat tool that can be customized and managed. And that's just sort of the start, the review app. And that's just the start of where we're sort of going there. So that basically that everything that especially a dropshipper needs has all in a singular place. And we're planning to have it so that we have like an AI automation hub. So basically that automation hub, you will have an AI agent that'll do all the work. You can customize it, give it commands and stuff as well, where over the next 12 months, we look to really sort of include all of that to really have all of that as well. At the same time as well, integrating with the various third-party partners and looking at, you know, partners of people's choice. We're looking at a number of different options as we sort of speak about that right now. And that's where things sort of sit as a whole with this. So just wanted to give this release note and also sort of talk about our future roadmap. We'll be releasing more videos. I've got a video coming out on a full Debutify theme and DTM actual course, showing you step by step how to actually get started, how to get it all set up and go from there, okay, as well. So be sure to subscribe to the channel so you get all these notifications too. Also check out Ricky Hayes, my other channel as well, where I have more marketing brand content there as well for Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, Instagram ads, and so forth, so that you can get sort of a full scope as we sort of focus on more theme updates, release videos, release notes on this channel, as well as other value content, as well as Ricky Hayes channel. Be sure to follow us on socials as well. We're releasing a lot of value there too. Otherwise, thank you very much for your time. Have a lovely day. Take care and goodbye.